Arthur Miller was the son of an illiterate Polish immigrant. He went to public schools in Harlem and in Brooklyn during a time when arts were considered a core aspect of an educational experience. The Arthur Miller Foundation provides equity and access to quality theater education for our public school students by supporting theater teachers. Arts education, particularly theater, is severely underrepresented in New York City public schools. Only about 200 out of 1,800 public schools have a dedicated, certified theater teacher. Arts education must be deemed essential. We need to give a voice to all of our students, particularly our Black and Brown students who make up the majority of our population. New stories need to be told, and new voices need to be heard. Please join us. Help us make arts education essential so that we can foster the next generation of creative, empathetic, forward-thinking, problem-solving, empowered citizens. Thank you.